each of these people use a sneaky trick to go from zero Spanish to then be able to have a decent conversation. Can you guess what it is? They went from regular people having a desire to learn Spanish because they want to go to vacation to the most beautiful beaches in South America. Maybe they want to retire and live in a Spanish-speaking country, or they have a boyfriend, Latino boyfriend or girlfriend, and they want to be able to talk to their families. Whatever the reason is, something that they don't have in common is that the time it took them to hit high levels of growth in the language. Why some learn so fast and others got years to get them anywhere. I learned the hard way when I was learning English. I was focusing in the wrong content, watching a lot of videos with subtitle, speaking Spanish all the time, because I was afraid of looking like an idiot and even dreaming of learning English fast and easy without putting any effort. Until one day, I figured it out. I understand that trick. I finally clicked it in my brain and I really started implementing it in my busy life. I have them. I want to share them with you, and all of them are really, really important. But if you do not do the last one, I promise you, you're going to give up. But if you do, your life is going to change. But before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe and activate that notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Number 1, immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music, and engage in conversation with native speakers. Number 2, guys, practice with native speakers. Find groups where you can speak the language. Go to McDonald's or no, not McDonald's, because over there they speak English. But I did. I went to McDonald's. I went to all these places where they only speak English. So you go to Mexican restaurants or go to other places where you know there is a Mexican community or Latino community or any place where they speak the language that you want to learn. Guys, this is crucial. You need to practice your Spanish. Whatever you're learning, try to speak it with somebody else. And one of the things that helped me a lot, well, at the beginning it stopped me because I was feeling like I don't want them to make fun of me. I don't want them to think that I'm an idiot and I am in this country and I don't know how to speak the language. So I understand it's hard, but guess what? A lot of people, they don't even make fun of you. And if they do it, they will not do it in front of your face. So just go out and speak. Guys, it's better to go outside and speak the language and make some mistakes and fix them. Try to fix them. Someone is going to tell you, well, you don't say it like that. You say it like this. And then guess what? That way you are going to learn. And that way you are going to get better. It'll take me to the number 3. Read books and newspapers. Start with children books. And then gradually you're going to progress and you're going to move on to more complex material. But reading helps improve your vocabulary and your comprehension. So this is also very important, guys. Read. Number 4, watch and listen to authentic content. Watch movies, TV shows. Also, listen to podcasts or radio station. Something in Spanish that help you to improve your listening skills. And then you get to familiarize yourself with the native accent. Okay, so watch a lot of movies. Don't put subtitles. because that's gonna help you to force you to try to understand it. If you read it, I think that it will not help. It never helped me, okay? So watch a lot of movies, a lot of programs, TV shows, or whatever you like in Spanish, okay? Make sure it's authentic content in Spanish, and you're gonna get used to it little by little. Guys, I remember those days that I was like, what? I mean, they're saying, I know what they're saying, but they're not saying it the way I learned. So you're gonna get familiarized to the way they speak, the way they were taught when they were little. Number 5, utilize online resources. Take advantage of online resources like language learning websites, YouTube channels, online forums, something that helps you to keep using your Spanish and keep practicing your Spanish. Number 6, guys, keep a language journal, okay? Do not trust your brain. You will forget it. Write down new vocabulary, grammar rules, practice your sentences, and dedicate a journal. Number 7, we are getting to the most important things that you have to do in order to improve your Spanish. Guys, stay consistent and practice daily. Consistency is key. Dedicate a regular time to practice Spanish every day, even if it is only a few minutes. Just continue practice and it will help you to progress steadily. And I promise you, all of a sudden you're gonna be like, wow, I have improved so much. You're gonna notice it. Okay, is never give up. Please, guys, don't give up. I know sometimes you're gonna feel frustrated. I did. I almost gave up many times. But if you give up, then what? Time is gonna keep passing, and then in 1 year, in 2 years, you're gonna think, wow, I just wasted 2 years of my life and I didn't do whatever I really wanted to do. Remember, learning a language requires time, effort, and dedication. Embrace the process and stay motivated and enjoy the journey.